Hello everyone, my name is KemLis, and in this video I'll be showing you how to eliminate holes from your locks. So either you're a loctician or you have locks and you're beginning to see holes forming in the locks. This video will show you what to do, and I'll also be talking about how to prevent this from happening again. Please like, comment, subscribe, because this will encourage me to do more videos where I get to discuss real life situations that you could encounter on your Locs journey. Thank you. Let's get started. So what exactly are we talking about when we say holes? For me, this is when you have gaps in between your lock shafts. Just as you can see in the video, right? It's just like your locks forming two ropes in between. And this could happen for different reasons. I mean, you just have this hole that you can almost pass your finger through. And one of the major reasons is that inconsistent reties. When you take too long before you go for your retie, your lock is most likely going to form in the pattern of its last rotation, thereby causing that hole. Another thing is when the wrong technique is used. We'll get to that shortly. However, to address this, you want to create a bridge in between the hole. So you take your latch hook, go to the middle of the hole and slide it through both rope. Then you pull the tip through. This way, you've just created a bridge. Here is a slow motion of me doing that. I would like to apologize because my logo is covering this part. It's not intentional. It's from a very old video and for Instagram, and this was the way I just kind of put my watermark on it. I apologize, but I'll show you another close-up on how to do it that is better. Okay, so you just pull through after you've created that bridge. See it as making a cross. So you go with the horizontal, which is your latch hook going in between, and then you pull through to make the cross. Sometimes you might have to do this more than 2 times, depending on how far or how long the hole is. Now, another technique you can use is this. Now, this formed at the root of the client's hair. What you want to do is to reverse the last rotation. This would loosen up the rope a bit for you to be able to do the right rotation going forward. If you overdo the reverse, you stand a chance of causing a rope yourself, just like this. So I'll correct that again, and then I will go the opposite direction. One quick way to fix this is that 3-point rotations or 4-point rotations are the way to go. With a 3-point rotation or 4-point, the risk of going the same direction twice is reduced, which is why I hardly recommend 2-point rotation, especially if you are doing your locks yourself or if you are a loctician that tends to talk with their hands. You know what I mean? You're gisting, but your mind is off what you're doing. Then you might unintentionally create a rope. Having said this, if you find that you already have ropes in your locks, don't be scared. Do not panic. There is a solution. Just make sure you find a loctician who knows their onions, and they'll be able to correct this for you. Please, if this video taught you anything, you can drop it in the comment section. You can share with somebody that you think needs a repair for their holes. And let me know any other video you would like me to do to address your lock concern. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share, because I promise to always give you content that you would need. Thank you once again.